In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the line numbers feature in Microsoft Word. Line numbers are especially useful when you're working on documents that require precise referencing, such as legal papers, scripts, or academic work. They allow you and your readers to easily identify specific lines within a document, making collaboration and editing much more efficient. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is ready, go to the top menu and click on the Layout tab. This is where you'll find various options related to page setup and formatting. Within the Layout tab, look for the Line Numbers option. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. You can select Continuous if you want the numbering to run throughout the entire document without restarting. If you prefer the numbering to restart on each page, choose the option that resets the count per page. There is also an option to restart numbering for each section if your document is divided into sections. As soon as you select one of these options, you'll notice line numbers appear along the left margin of your document. This gives you a clear reference point for every line of text. If you want more control over how the line numbers appear, click on the Line Numbers option again and select Line Numbering Options. This will open a dialog box where you can customize the settings. From here, you can adjust the starting number, change the interval at which numbers appear, and control the distance between the numbers and the text. Another helpful feature is the ability to remove line numbers from specific paragraphs. To do this, highlight the paragraph you want to exclude. Go back to the Line Numbers menu and choose the option to suppress numbering for that section. If at any point you no longer need line numbers in your document, simply return to the Line Numbers drop-down and select None. This will remove all numbering from your document instantly. As a useful tip, keep in mind that line numbers are mainly for reference and may not always be necessary for final printed documents unless specifically required. And that's it. You now know how to use the Line Numbers feature in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.